Morning, everyone.
Good morning, Drew.
Hey, what's up? How you
Hi, good
doing?
morning, man.
Morning.
Still held on to that Tesla call yesterday.
You're one happy dude today.
Yeah, I bought early too when you told me to get in when it didn't hit the bottom.
Yeah. Well, I knew it was gonna happen. I kept saying it yesterday. If you hold, you're gonna be happy. If you hold, you're gonna be happy. But I didn't. Um, I ended up taking minimal profits on Tesla. Oh yeah, I'm trying to wake up still.
Oh yeah, on the West Coast, huh?
Yeah, it's brutal. I need to move.
Yeah, I used to live in California too, and we moved to North Carolina.
Oh, nice. My dad lives in North Carolina.
Yeah, I'm in Charlotte.
Nice. I forget what town or city he's in. Excuse me. He's in a smaller place, or I don't think it's small, but it's not a big city. He lives in some community with a golf course.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah. Oh, he loves golf. He was a
Yes.
businessman on Wall Street, and he used to have to entertain a lot and go golfing with people.
He still keeps it going, huh?
Yeah, I guess so. So this is pretty cool to see. Um, this is our daily cloud for ES. We did wick through, but we're still holding the outside of this closed cloud. It'll be interesting to watch throughout the day if this opens up or if we're going to reject down from here. Um, Love it. I'm actually kind of surprised this held. Our weekly cloud, we're pretty close. Yeah.
Hey, Drew, quick question for the
Yep.
ES. In trading view, it keeps switching over to the 2023 for me, and it's throwing out the numbers.
I'm sorry, it's doing what for you?
It rolled over the contract for the 2023 instead of the 2022 you guys are on.
Uh huh.
Not
For
sure why it keeps switching over for the
trading,
ES one.
for trading view, it did.
Yeah,
Oh wow.
so the number is like way off.
Yeah, I wish mine would roll over. Which one
Oh,
are
if you
you
want yours,
using?
I'm sorry.
Which one are you using?
Same one, the S&P 500 mini futures. It's on the contract ESH 2023. I think it happened when I clicked on that little circle, like a refresh button on the bottom of the volume chart, and it's on the Thursday, December 8th.
Hmm. Oh, you clicked on
Yeah, and it just automatically keeps switching now.
this here.
Yeah, it messed me up now. I don't know how to go back to the default 2022.
Well, I mean, you can click this, or you
Yeah, I
can.
have to click it every time.
Yeah, wild. It's just a few more days.
Okay.
I maybe missed this, Drew, but what's up with if we're breaking into the cloud, uh, and it's a daily cloud? In this situation,
Hmm.
can we go through it?
I mean, no.
Okay, so you're saying we won't, we could pop it, but we're not going to close the day, say in this case, above 4167 or something like that?
It's one, yeah,
That's the
141,
top, something like
48
I got.
ish.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah.
Um,
I
yeah.
got 60 at the very top. I'm showing 141, 68.50, but is a 5 minute. I don't know if that changes.
No, it doesn't change. Clouds are based on ATR, not on time. So
Okay.
they don't move when you change time frames. Um, yeah. So if you have a MACD, um, -1 and lower, like the clouds are not
Yeah,
opening.
yeah, it's -2.1.
Yeah. So this is solid. This is solid.
Got it.
But I
Okay,
mean,
so we could.
I have said multiple times, like the clouds. The one time the clouds can be broken,
Yep.
um, is what's it called? With news. So even though
Right.
this is really strong closed, it could happen. At this point, though, now that we got the major news event, I don't foresee it happening. If that makes
Okay.
sense. Like if CPI hadn't happened and we're like, right
Right.
at
If I
the
was confident, I would sell 4180
yeah.
calls
Hmm.
at the open, load up, and just sell them and make a shitload of money.
Yeah.
But I could lose my shirt if I do that.
Yeah, I mean, the only thing that makes it less confident is the news event, but I'm still pretty
Yeah.
confident we're not going to be closing above this at all.
Okay.
The MACD just confirms it, like it could open, but not right now, it's not.
All right.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Yeah, no problem.
I guess you have to wait till the 9:30 market opens.
I'm sorry?
And maybe you have to wait till the 9:30 market opens.
Oh, for the cloud to open, it shouldn't change because we have such a strong MACD right now. Oh, that
So drink
first
that quick
sip of
question.
coffee. Yeah, go ahead.
If the price high right now, is this where you want to go and do like a sell high and buy low? That's how you make the profit in ES.
Yeah, I mean, technically, you buy into or sell into strength and buy into weakness. It looks like it gave us a great like entry. Oh yeah, this is not great, but gave a decent entry for 20 points here. So you'll see here, you can even see it on Bookmap, like we are going to struggle to get anywhere above this level. Like just it's not going to happen, I don't think. Looking forward to selling my calls at the open here. So what was our deal yesterday being on Tesla? I don't remember. I don't have that happen to me, Alan. Like, um, it just sounds like you need to work on your entries. It's hard trading MES like um, with news like this, like because you get some pretty wild swings.
Hey, Drew, do you guys have any setup for the Amazon? See where the price range is going to be happening today?
You can use the options profit calculator. I'll post the
I
link.
didn't have anything drawn up for the Amazon for the previous day high, lows, and stuff like that.
There's the link for it. Oh, for
The charting.
here, let's take a look. I'm pretty sure this was my price target on Amazon. So what exactly are you looking for?
I think the pre-market values are like 95. I'm not sure where it's heading to.
Oh, so I sent that link, the options profit calculator. Did you see that?
The main chat?
Yeah, but so I mean, this is you want to close your position here. We're not going to be going above like 90, 80, give or take.
You said 90, 80?
Yeah, I mean, that's going to be a hard level to get above right there. You can see if you look to the left, this is just that's going to be a wall.
Computer's a little bit slow right now. Can't even see your screen. Okay, I can see it now.
This is going to be a wall. So,
Even if the pre-market says 95.6?
oh. I have regular trading hours on. That's funny. Oh
Yeah,
yeah,
the market, pre-market's way up there.
you're good on the wall. Sorry. Actually, sorry, my price target on Amazon was 93. That's what I said.
I probably go back and forth for the 94 for a little while.
What's that?
I think it's going to drop down to 94 and might shoot back up.
I mean, that's a good re-entry for lungs. And this is going to be where you struggle to get above, right? There. But I mean, if you come back to 94, you can take another point to the upside from here. 94.18. Sorry, I feel like a dunce for saying we're not getting above 90 something when it's already way above it. But yeah, I don't remember if I talked about this on like a watch list or not, but my price target for Amazon was $93. I'm kind of surprised that we've got past that, but happy for people that are swinging it.
Yeah, CPI is strong today.
What's that?
I think the CPI numbers just made it really strong today with the price rate.
Yeah, I've been saying that since last week. I was expecting a nice pump. Yeah, so you can see we're rejecting the top of the cloud on let me pull it up. Yes. Oh, and somebody asked me about the 4-hour clouds. My 4-hour clouds are open and we're past them. What was that? KSSN, are you in here? Oh, SPY. Isn't SPY at 410 or am I tripping? Yeah.
Yeah, it's at 4:10.
Oh, it doesn't look like I don't have extended hours turned on this one. Good job. Good deal. That's weird. I don't know why it's not showing. It's showing on my 4-hour chart. But all my other charts are pinned at like 398. Oh well, I'm not going to worry about it right now. We're about to open, right? Yeah. All right. All my peeps and calls should be nice and excited. Excuse me. Where's Sith? Homeboy's still sleeping. He needs to close his PayPal swing. Wow, the spreads on these are ugly. Oh well. So for anybody trading futures, if you listen before the open, I mean, this is just our line in the sand, our closed clouds. Um, you're looking good for downside. Ooh. Dude, Josh, that's disgusting. So on Bookmap here, we still have a lot of selling pressure on the top side. I should just switch to trading futures. If I can sign in fast enough, I'm going to try to go short here at 140, 41.33. Oh, sorry if I blew up anybody's ears there. This is a good short here.
Order filled.
Dump it. Anybody go short there with me? It's beautiful.
Order filled.
Beauty. Thank you for my money.
I went short too.
That was beautiful. So easy.
I'm still.
Super easy. I'm already 37%.
Nice. Yeah, I didn't even have a chance to, like I have my automatic stop losses, 40 ticks or whatever. I mean, automatic take profit, 40 ticks. I didn't even have a chance to move it. I normally will like trail it, and trail my stop loss. It was too fast. It's great.
I just sold it. Can't complain. Thank you for calling that out.
Oh, no problem. Yeah, that was super easy. Cash money.
Cash made up for my bad day yesterday, so thank you.
All good. Cash money. I'm still kind of trying to wake up. It's not working very well.
Well, at least
Had your coffee?
Yeah, I've had a few sips of coffee so far. Not enough. I want to chill out for a second. I want to see, like, where we're at. This is where we're at.
It got rejected right on the SSH, huh?
Yeah. Well, I moved that up. So that's my structure high. So this is my
Oh, gotcha.
new higher high. So I moved that up this morning.
Oh, gotcha.
This is
So on my SPY, it rejected right off of the September VAH that I have. Are you looking for it to kind of go back up, or are you thinking like waiting for it to keep playing along it? Can you look at SPY at all?
I mean, SPY is going to be the same as ES. It's just yeah, I play off of ES.
Right.
The reason I play off ES is I don't have these gaps. Like I don't have gaps all over the place.
Yeah.
It's just a cleaner chart and it's more liquid. I'm not trying to predict. I mean, the only prediction I'll make today on SPY is based on the clouds. That we're not getting over 410-ish. Our daily cloud here. I'll show it again. I showed it before the open. Here's our daily cloud.
If we were to break that, then the market's still bullish. What do you think?
Oh yeah, it would be very bullish.
Yeah.
I don't know why my computer or whatever lags whenever I try to move my clouds, but this will have to be good enough for right now. It doesn't want to. So here's our daily cloud. It's very much closed at 410.84. So we should not be able to get above this level unless our clouds open up.
Thanks.
Yeah, no problem. And then we have the same thing on ES with the clouds. The daily's closed. And it's basically right where we rejected today. Daily is closed at 41.48. I know we wicked past that, but we didn't close above it. So right now I'm just looking for potential areas where we might see bounces happen today.
Tesla said I'm coming all the way back down.
Yeah.
It's all right. Nobody's coming down to pick me up.
Teaching winners in this Discord. All right. Let's see. So I know I'm a little bit late, but this would have been a good long here. SR flip at 41.13 on ES. If we make it down here, 40, 80, 50, I would expect to bounce as well. But we're going to let it come to us. Not going to be forcing anything today. I'm glad that they're giving us moves today. With FOMC being tomorrow. What's that?
Yeah, I think with all that chop past couple days. So.
Yeah. Well, I was kind of expecting it to be choppy today. You know, like I obviously CPI, I expected a big move, and then I expected a big, move in the opposite direction. And then I was kind of expecting choppiness, but this is decent so far.
So what's the MACD of that closed cloud on daily?
It's negative 1.5-ish, right around there.
So if it comes near zero, would it mean a weaker cloud?
Yeah, so you want it to be -1 and better, and it's right now it's negative 1.5, so it's very strong.
Perfect.
If we come down to the rundown VPOC, this will be a good place to enter short. We also have the POC there. Just slightly above it. This is the, what's it called? The developing POC on Bookmap. I really, really wanted to go 41, 46. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Frankly, I would not be totally shocked if this doesn't end up being like our range the rest of the day.
It's not a bad range.
Yep. This run up POC might actually be better than the run down. Even well, I don't know, we have a lot of selling here on Bookmap. It's going to be a tough one. Either enter short early or take your chances and wait for 41.38. It's actually looking kind of strong.
See, I just saw something on your chart. It says 4102 is previous week value area high and 4047 is previous week value area low, right? 4047.
4047 is previous week value area high.
And then there's another previous week value area.
Nice. This one's wrong.
Perfect. Yeah. I was just taking the level. I just noticed it. I'm like, wait, something's off. Thanks.
Yeah.
I didn't get filled. That's tough. That was a good short.
Damn it, I didn't get filled either. I was trying to hold off for 41.38. Anyway, nice play, Ricky.
Yeah, too bad I didn't get filled.
Oh, that's right. You said you didn't. I thought you said you did.
Tough. Oh, yeah, I was waiting for the rundown. Yeah, just missed it. Good call out, though.
If we come back to our support resistance flip, could be a good long here. We'll see what, see what we see on Bookmap here. We're at VWAP. Right at VWAP here.
Drew, for the contract, are we still on the ESZ2?
I am. Well, I'm on MES Z2, yeah.
The reason that it's more liquid for the time being.
Yeah. My values don't match. I'm just using buy market, sell market. Trying to find the dude that was telling me Amazon's not going to 93.
Yeah.
You know, I'm gonna be all up in that jazz.
Oh, Wills has posted, Fed officials are starting to disagree about how stubborn inflation is and that this will affect how long interest rates will keep rising. In case you thought the recession was canceled.
It's not. This is just where you buy long-term shorts.
Yeah, I got one February 350 put. I'm looking to add one more if we keep going off the 50 basis points, unless they do 75.
I think they're trying to trap more people along here, like into the next month, and then they'll flip next year.
That is definitely a good theory. That's what I was thinking. So I only added one. It's too much news coming out. They can just really mess the market up however they want.
Yeah. These jumps, like your contracts can easily go like 20% up or down in a day.
Coming back to our short entry here. This is good to take whatever ES short, MES, SPY, SPX. Take your pick.
And these swings are wild.
That's nice.
I mean, you have to have a broad stop loss.
Oh, you're doing the thingamajigger bobber, qualifying or whatever. Yeah.
Yeah, I left the trade overnight. Not going to talk about that. Definitely didn't have to reset my account because of that.
Oh, this pretty good line in the sand here at 41, 40, 41, 38. Here's our rejection. Come on, buddy, dump it.
Rand's is like, if we shoot past 410, we're aiming to see a further squeeze. I'm like, it's not going past 410.
Yeah, I don't see it going past 41.13. At least not anytime soon.
It depends if people want to cash out their calls. I don't know. I go by the clouds.
Yeah. I don't know, Ricky Bobby. I'm pretty disappointed. Dude's not replying to me about Amazon for 2 days now.
Oh, I got people saying we're going to 420. Never mind. I got
On Spy?
Yeah.
I can only guess what crazy chat you're in.
Yeah, you really
What
can.
is the reasoning? Like, why 420?
I think there's a gap there too. Rockets.
Ricky Bobby dropping the cloud level. Unless he's smoking, that's the one.
Exactly.
Oh, Droppa's on board now.
Randall didn't even argue with me on the fact of the
Oh.
clouds. He already knows.
Ranzel's smart.
Yeah, he's very smart.
I'll show you how smart Ranzel is in just a second.
Oh, I can't wait.
There's our short. We want more than that. Come on. We're not looking for 4 points. Ranzel. Let me try to figure out the best way to show this. Oy. Ranzel messaged me this morning. If it's okay with Shorty, can you send me a picture that shows where the clouds are on ES Daily? I said it's okay with me. Daily is closed and we're at it. Thank you. Anytime.
Yeah, he knows.
He hit me up before the market opened.
He's a smart man. I respect him. He's probably the most respected trader in the Discord besides you.
Yeah, he's up there. Puts in his work.
For sure. This guy said, I want to wait till 410. Can it happen tomorrow? He's like, I just want to wait. I'm like, bro, take your profits today. Just going to hold into FOMO C.
Crazy. Seriously, can we please, like, at least dump it to here? I mean, we're green on this short, but God, like, can we move? Move more?
Can't believe how much they're beating the shit out of Tesla.
There we go. I know, huh?
He opened his mouth, man. He opened his mouth on Twitter. They don't play games.
Opens his mouth too much.
Yeah.
Dude, I don't even want to talk to what's his nuts? Sith 3D. Our PayPal play went, I don't even know the percentage, but enough, like 50% or something like that. And he's not here to sell. And now it's back in the red.
Nice. Yeah, you made a lot of people money with that in the other Discord.
Yep.
I had a Google 100 call, and I swear they totally screwed you in the morning with prices. The option prices should have been way higher.
Oh, so this is a great short if anybody caught it. I hope people listened.
That was nice.
About long-term puts.
I seriously think they're pinning us here, and I'm just gonna cry. Like, don't do it to me.
Oh, wait, is it Daily Cloud open on Tesla? No, it's not.
What was that one? Was it Apple that we looked at that was like getting super tight?
Yeah. Said it was a big move was coming on it.
Nice. We're still inside of that. That's nuts.
But they're probably going to use to drop the market.
Look at where we rejected. I mean, it wicked past this, but we're right inside of this little triangle. Crazy. Right to the November POC. If you're watching on YouTube and you're not a believer in volume profile yet, this is your confirmation. Alrighty. Oh, it's a beautiful short. Love it. Love to see it. Everybody should have banked on that. Sith is here. Yeah, dude, your PayPals were up like 50% and now they're down.
Tesla clouds are still closed. At the bottom, the daily bottom.
Yeah.
I'll just be adding. Thank you.
Been being a pendejo.
Yeah, I'm glad I sold out of the Tesla calls, but I was still surprised. I feel like they didn't go up like the way they should have for what kind of spike we saw.
Totally. They should have been like $4 or $5.
I mean, you guys.
And they were like 3 something.
You guys still got out with profit, right? On Tesla?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh my god, I had to leave. I was like, okay, I'm gonna get out of this because clearly they're gonna tank this sucker.
Yeah, as soon as it broke the rundown POC, I was like, yeah, we're done.
I mean,
and then we retested and then sunk.
The price that they gave us on those Tesla contracts today was BS, but what can you do? Profit's profit, at least. It should have been a lot higher, though. That sucks.
Yeah.
Go hold those January calls.
So we're 2 for 2 so far.
Or Tesla.
Ooh, are we gonna break this?
I'm already up like 7% on January SPY puts.
Nice. We might actually break through this SR flip here at 41.13. There was a little bit of orders happening here, but not enough to hold it. There it goes.
Right into a VWAP. What do we got now?
They're just making stuff up at this point.
I agree
Poor
with you.
Tesla. Someone call a doctor.
Yeah.
Dude.
Someone call it. They're just getting deep in the
It's
clouds.
it's scuba diving.
Crazy. Oh,
About
I
to hit
just
the
saw
midpoint.
orders flash on Bookmap. Big orders to the downside. We're dumping.
Good night. Where's the 50% of this big candle? And we usually retrace back there.
Yeah. I drift the wrong way.
We're past it, never mind.
Yeah. No. It's here.
Oh,
Unless you're talking about like, oh, you're talking
the retracement
the
of
whole
the bottom.
move.
Yeah.
Oh, can you please just erase the fibs? Thank you. Yeah, we're past the 50. It's right here at the SR flip.
Yeah.
I
A
think
lot
you
of
guys.
volume showing in Tesla.
Oh god, well they're. How low can it go?
I mean, the cloud closed and it's bouncing out of it. Can't
Yep.
go much lower. The daily bottom.
So on 5 minutes on Tesla, is that a stopping volume?
Looks like it. I think we're seeing more downside than this though. I mean, not specifically Tesla, just market overall.
Drew, are you an AV Go?
No. I
Huh.
played those last week?
Did they pay out for you pretty well?
Massive.
Nice. I just hopped in AV Go.
They went from like 4 to 9, I want to say.
Jeez, good shit.
Yeah, I was expecting it to take like 4 days or so to play out, and it played out in like 2.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Yeah, I mean, I could very well be wrong on this, but I saw big orders flashing down here on Bookmap. And a lot of times that'll be where market makers want to take the direction they want to move the market in. So my gut is saying we're dumping.
Okay.
But I also feel like this is our range today, and I've been saying that, but we'll see.
That'd be pretty tight and shitty.
Yeah, well, tomorrow's FOMC, so.
Oh, that's probably where we'll get the movement then.
Yep.
Or the day after.
I mean, so far this is holding. I'm not, these wicks, whatever. We haven't had a close below or above. I think GA is nuts. He's shorting Tesla here.
Would your short level be like 173.50 or 175?
I mean, I don't really. I mean, I think on Tesla. Let me see. It just wouldn't be, at the bottom of all of this downside.
No, yeah, I got you.
Like, I don't have a specific short level that I have drawn right now, but I'm just not a momentum trader, so I'm not shorting here.
No, I got you.
And I'm not trying to talk crap about him. He's a good trader. I don't see it on Tesla at all.
Yeah, the clouds are closed. You're really trading against the trend here. It's not worth it, in my opinion, at least. But 173.18 is the rundown POC for me.
Are they going to do it? I don't know. I have a feeling the market makers want to dump it more. Dude, I think Ranzul recreated the clouds.
There's no way.
Bro, look at this. So this is apparently his 4-hour cloud.
Uh-huh. What? This man's insane.
Look.
Oh my god.
You tell me.
Yo, that's scary. What?
You tell me if he recreated them.
What? That man is too smart. I don't even know what to say.
What the fuck? He literally did.
He just recreated like what, $25,000 indicator?
I don't even understand how.
By just looking at it.
Dude,
What are we talking about?
I'm in awe.
What happened?
I think some dude just recreated Shorty's clouds.
Is he giving them out free?
I mean,
how do you know is what I'm asking.
We just looked at it. And we know the guy.
I just showed it. He just sent me this screenshot.
Oh, okay, it's a picture.
Huh?
But it matches perfectly with the 4-hour cloud.
He just sent me this. And
Are they like pretty much like Bollinger Bands or what he has drawn?
They're not Bollinger Bands. And then this is the 4-hour clouds. So there's his. Man, I don't know how to show this best on stream. but
Wow, that's crazy. That's to a T.
yeah, he's recreated them.
Really.
I don't know how.
Built different. I don't even know what to say.
I just hope Shorty doesn't blame me for that. I did not give those to him.
I mean, it's not really what you can. I mean, you posted clouds before and streamed it. It's not like he actually knew the script.
Bro, I am tripping.
Maybe he did Photoshop.
Nah, he's not the guy to do that. He would tell him. At least I would think so.
Yeah, he's a pretty serious dude.
Yeah. I mean, it's only the 4 hour. It's not like multiple time frames, but still. Crazy.
No, once you have it, you just change the time frame.
And it just adjusts.
Yeah.
Sancho?
Where's
Sancho?
Like, I'm literally like beside myself right now. This is
Like, how many people except Shardy has a cloud?
like 8 people in the world. I don't. It's like 300 lines of code. Did you see it sequence? It was like to a T. Dude, what a boss.
Yeah. That's crazy. I went short. Let's go.
Yeah, we're gonna dump more here.
Let's go. Good call.
Thank you. Coming up to a psych level. Ricky Bobby, you should ask him for those. So we can see if the code is the same. That's crazy.
I'm gonna have him added. I'm gonna message him.
This dude reverse engineered the clouds from a screenshot.
Mind boggling.
Maybe he found some starter code online and then he just worked backwards.
So I have to give credit where credit's due. GA made 70 cents so far on those Tesla puts. So I guess I don't know what I'm talking about. Wow. Was anybody able to profit off of this? Me saying that we're coming down? Market makers flashing orders below. Oh.
Yeah, took a spy put. I already
4,000
exited.
put. I took the 4,000 put from $2 to 250 right now.
Nice. I think we're
Only
probably
profit
coming here.
relation.
Good job, guys. Nice. People on YouTube are making money too. Sequence, I'm literally like dead right now. I can't even focus after Ranzel showed me our clouds.
I know.
I don't know if you
No.
guys can hear it in my voice, but I'm
I know, but you gotta be serious about it.
literally beside myself. Like I can't even
I'll
focus
totally show
anymore.
you. I always try showing people, teaching them.
Somebody's
That's what
live.
everybody else does to me.
Josh, your mic's live, bro.
Oh, my bad.
No, you're good.
I was talking about pops.
No, you're good. I'm just letting you know that we can hear your conversation. Dude, I'm seriously like trying to recompose myself and get back to trading. I'm literally
Are you
beside
still
myself.
shocked?
I'm blown away. I can't believe
I
some
wonder what
just
Shorty's gonna think about that.
It's like nothing that you did.
4,000 put at 3.5 now.
Yeah, I should have held my put, but I got out. It's like,
well, I'm just glad Sequence is saying like if you're good, you could you could recreate it by looking at it. Cause wow.
yeah, he's really good. That's crazy.
Like I'm actually kind of sick to my stomach. All right. Yeah, I saw that. Josh, you're a nut, bro. Freaking Josh made 7,700 off of $300. Man.
Today?
Well, a swing from yesterday on PayPal.
Wow.
Yeah, PayPal paid, bud.
All right. Let's get back down to business.
You know, I just realized I was on my sim account, not my eval account. It's made 8,200 on a play. I'm kind of sad. I would have passed my eval.
Crazy.
At the rundown VPOC. That's when I took it.
For my peeps in YouTube, we do this, at least 3 to 4 times a week, live in our Discord. The link's in the description. I mean, we already know Sequence is a beast. So Sequence was telling me when the Discord first started and I first met Sequence, how him and Shorty met was he recreated the orb script based on a screenshot and then sent it to Shorty on Twitter. And that's how him and Shorty met and got started.
The cloud just opened on Tesla, by the way. Careful.
Oh, wow.
Yep, cutting Tesla.
You made $2 on Tesla. Good job.
Give me the
Yeah, I
B
saw
web.
that whole thing pop up. I'm out of SPX. I took $2 on that one.
Nice. That B web right now would be nice.
I think we're coming to 4080. My goal.
I want to re-enter, but
Right.
can't yet. Oh, too late. Never mind.
Free money for YouTube today. Did Ranzel give you the clouds, Ricky Bobby?
I messaged him. He didn't message me back yet.
Sequence, I'm still trying to recover from being DM'd the clouds. It's not...
Off a picture.
Dude.
20 grand in a picture. 25 grand, sorry. It's not even public anymore, so it's priceless.
Yeah. Oh, I just realized his picture. He doesn't have open and closed.
Yeah, I was seeing that.
So he has the clouds. He doesn't have the open and closed portion.
Oh yeah. Unfortunately, that's the easy one to figure out.
Is it?
Yeah, it's the easiest part to figure out, I would think.
Probably.
Just
based on
that's just a MACD.
Yeah, exactly. It's 4 hour or whatever cloud MACD.
Rockets feels a little bit better now.
Yeah, no. I mean, it's the calculations aren't that hard to figure out, really, if you know what you're looking at.
I don't feel better. I'm like literally gutted.
Yeah.
Because.
Yeah.
I
Now,
don't even know what to say.
Before Shorty gave me the cloud code forever ago, I almost had it sort of worked out anyway, you know? But it was like...
How would they have gotten the settings in order to figure out the code for clouds?
Created it.
Just winged it and got lucky?
Nah, he don't get lucky.
Gotta be something more to it.
He's just really good.
Good for him. That's cool.
I've seen him trade long enough. He's really good, and scripts that he uses.
Yeah, sometimes guys just know how to. I mean, you can look at something and see what it's doing. You can recognize what indicators it's using behind the scenes or what calculations.
That's just nutty to me.
Yeah, it's easier in this kind of stuff because you have like something to work against. Like signals are obviously impossible almost because it's just random crap usually. But these types of indicators that actually plot stuff are typically easier to duplicate.
Looks like shorting VWAP will be good.
Yeah, it's not looking too bad, is it?
Nope. There it is. This is pretty tight. Dogfight here for buyers and sellers. There it is.
4,000 gave another entry at 2.
Short of VWAP.
Right, I think it's at 2.5 now.
Go down, touch the SR.
What type of day is this considered so far?
Typical day so far.
Okay.
All right, let's get more serious here. Oh, it's breaking before I can even draw it. Can you chill? Please, yes, thank you. So based on this, we're going to actually break through this SR flip. We're coming to...
That'd be really nice. Took 4,000 again at 2. It's at 3.6 now. 2.15 is what I took it at, actually.
Let's go. That was nice.
Here we go.
Good short up VWAP.
Boom.
I made $70 on XPX so
Get it,
far.
baby.
Hey, yes, Angel.
How you doing, my brother?
My man, I'm good. How are you?
Doing well, sir.
Glad to hear that you're eating today.
Yeah, man. I ate yesterday. I just ate a little bit and got out, and then I saw that fucking big ass pump at the end. I was like, oh shit.
No, man, if you were able to make money yesterday, you're doing good.
Yeah, it was all good. It was all good.
That's good. Good to hear.
Today's my daughter's birthday, so I've already made $70. I'm good, man. I'm gonna go celebrate with her.
Happy birthday, daughter.
Yeah,
Happy
man.
birthday.
Have a good day. Enjoy your family, bro.
Yeah, my brothers. You guys too, man. I really enjoy being here with all of you, man.
Nothing but love,
Take it
Angel.
easy, Angel.
Yeah, it's like this is family, bro. I love this shit.
We all love you too. This is where we're
Thank
coming
you.
right now.
Wow, look at that dump, baby.
Yeah.
4,000s are at 5.6 now.
Nice. You
6
took
now.
him at 2?
Took him at 2. I just sent a screenshot. Yeah.
Wow.
Dope.
They were at 245.
That was the second time I played it. I took it from 2 to 3.5, and then now 2 to 5.5, and I got one left at 5.2.
Crazy.
Good for you, brother.
We're 3
Thank
on
you,
3
brother.
on the day here. I mean, 3 for 3 on the day.
Man, I miss these days. I miss having these days day in
Wow,
and
bro,
day
that was
out.
These days are
easy.
beautiful, bro.
They really are.
I don't know about you guys, but you know what? I have more trouble. On the trend days, like going up, I have more trouble than the trend days, like when it's trend days coming down. I don't know for some reason.
Trouble
I'm with you on
every
that one.
trend day, up or down.
You,
This is
man.
a good short entry again here. The rejection of the SR flip. Dude, Josh is just printing money.
I might just take those 3950s for fun, just to see what we can get. Let's see what we do here.
Josh, we need to rename you to Powell. You got a
Powell,
money,
bro? No, I'm opposite Powell, dude.
dude.
I've
You
been
have
playing your side, not Powell's side.
you got a money printer in your basement, bro.
All right, I'm gonna do 3950s at 70.
So if you don't want to answer this, don't. But what's your account at now?
212.
From what?
15. I mean, I sent a screenshot. Look at my testimonial. Right?
No, I
So,
know.
like,
I'm
at-
not asking for me. I'm asking for the people in the YouTube. So from Shorty's
Oh.
Discord, you took your account
Oh.
from 15K to 212 now.
Yes. Yes.
Dude, that's
Started.
nuts. Good job, man.
You're
I
fucking
mean, don't forget, I also lost like 20, 30 grand in the beginning.
You're
You know that.
fucking
I was losing a lot of
beast.
shit.
No, I
I
know, but
remember.
I'm saying now you're from 15K to $212,000
$211,596
in 1 year.
Yeah.
Dude, living the dream,
You're
bro.
a fucking beast, dude.
All right, man. I'm learning. I'm nothing compared to the other fellas in this chat. That's for sure. Learning off all the boys here.
Proud of you, bro. It's awesome.
Man. Honestly, bro, it's all courtesy to you, Drew. You're the one that got me into this group, and you're the whole reason I am where I am today.
All love,
That's
brother.
exactly what I say.
All
Appreciate
love,
you,
brother.
bro.
All love. And thank you.
Of course.
Ooh.
I need some like mojo over here.
No mojo, just hard work.
That's right. And no naps either. Maybe a nap from time to time.
Discipline.
That's
Yeah,
right, baby.
discipline. Enter and go take a nap.
Yeah,
you gotta be in front of this screen like 12 hours a day, if not more.
Not unless your name is Josh. Dude's like, oh yeah, I went long on SPX and got on a plane, and when I landed, I was up 1,000%.
Bro, I can't make that shit up. Like, I even bought Wi-Fi on that plane ride, and it wasn't working. And I just, maybe it was like, God was saying, you were trying your best. Let me just give it to you.
Dude, I need God to bless me like that. If I
Dude, yesterday I don't know, man. I feel like I do better trading when I'm not at home.
Well,
that's for sure.
At this point, just start traveling.
That's what I've been doing, dude. Yesterday we drove 12 hours from California to Texas, and now we're driving today from Texas to Tennessee, moving into my dad's apartment there. I'm not moving in, moving him in.
Nice.
And then the 17th I fly to Colorado, and then after that, just all around the map, man. Just staying busy.
I love to hear when people prosper like that, bro. Kudos to you, my brother.
Thank you, bro.
All right, so we're 3 for 4 now. Because I called out a short here at this SR flip and it's going the wrong way.
All right, I'm logging off. I'll see you boys in a little bit.
Have a good one, Josh.
Later.
Take care, buddy.
All right, we're chilling. Probably be shutting down the stream. I'm talking like YouTube wise in about an hour for lunchtime. It's going to get pretty boring. It's pretty boring right now. Discord will stay live. Anyway, I hope everybody in YouTube is eating. I know we're banking on the Discord, right, guys?
Absolutely. Looks like we're rejecting back. Yep.
Yeah, I just saw them flash orders to the downside. That's dope, Vern. I'm happy for you. I hope you're making money, Yankee. Well done, Lady Kiki. That's dope. That's funny, Don. Another one, you can try to join if you have any problems. Just DM me. We'll get you in. Yeah, it's a little choppy here. I mean, we have a uh, we have a little bear flag, and it's right at support resistance. No surprises. I don't really draw them too much because I can just see them. But if you need a visual, I don't know, something like this, and then our flagpole is here. So we should be coming down to 40, 56-ish. Once this breaks, if you're momentum trading, like your safe entry is going to be breaking this red line. For us in the Discord, we like to get in here. Possibly at VWAP, I don't know. But we like to play bear flags from the top of the flagpole, or from the top of the flag down, versus getting in on the momentum.
It's funny how traders change throughout the years. You used to get in at the break of the flag before, at the break.
Yep,
Remember that?
I do.
That's awesome, bro. And so now you're teaching me something too.
Well, I've even grown myself a lot since I met you.
Dude, you've come such a long ways. Oh my God. It's like, man, my goodness. I'm slowly getting there. But you've come, man, you've done leaps and bounds, bro. Which is great, man. I'm so proud of you, bro.
Yeah.
That's my mentor.
Well, Don P, it's really important that you're always using one risk for two reward and not cutting your winners early. Otherwise, you're destined to lose long term.
Mm-hmm. Looks like a lot of buying there on the map, huh? And selling. Book map.
It's kind of pinned right now.
Fighting.
Yeah.
Yeah, I see that.
They just flash big orders on both sides.
Is that the yellow orders right there?
No, they were dark red
Oh,
on both sides.
oh yeah,
but it was
yeah.
really quick flash.
Yeah, I saw that.
This might be the flag break here. Again, momentum traders, that's your entry. Or even, I mean, for people playing MES or whatever, that would be a good short entry as well. Yeah, Don, that's one of the hardest parts to master in trading is, so it's easy to hit our stop loss, but we have to make sure that our profits, hit our take profit. You can't let your losers run all the way to the stop loss and then sell your winners early. Well done, Sunflower. Nuts. Seeing people sharing their profits today is really cool. So right now they are just trying to bore us to death. I'm going to erase my fibs just because I feel like it's just creating a lot of clutter on the screen. So I don't know. I feel like we're just going to chop probably the rest of the day before FOMC. We've almost like retraced to Where's our close yesterday here? Like we're 50 points away from yesterday's close.
Yep, that's good enough for me, buddy. I'm out.
All right, brother. Take care.
Love you, man. Thank you.
Love you too. If we get it, this would be a short entry here. This is where you take profit. But right now they're keeping this pretty tight. This might even be. It's not a really clear, I mean, it's not a really clean bear flag, so kind of hard to say.
Is that a short entry at 92? Or
Yeah, it would be. Sorry, I'm sure watching on YouTube is pretty boring, but there's just nothing going on. We've been stuck. 10-point range for 15 minutes now. So top of the bear flag or even VWAP would be good short entry. That's funny, Don P. Yeah, you would love it, Don. If you do join, you'll absolutely love the Discord. Guaranteed. They're trying to lull me to sleep on this.
from renter to
I hate it when they do this. Like, can we just get moves? I don't care what direction we go, but this is unplayable, untradeable, unplayable. It's just boring. Yeah, I mean, I'm not trading at all right now. Just sitting here watching. What's up, Keenan Grace? Thanks for stopping by, bro. We're not afraid here. We're 3 for 4 on the day. We have 1 miss, but 3 very profitable trades and 1 little miss, but it's all good. Dude, Keenan's the man. I mean, everybody knows that. But what an honor to have him swing by and say hi. All this chop. We're not scared here, Keenan. All right. I am afraid of chop, though. This scares me. I got caught in chop yesterday when I played Tesla long. And there's just nothing worse. Yeah, Bellic, we have a bear flag. Looks like it might break here. Maybe not. We have a very exciting 10-point range going on here. I really want this. I will short there. Sorry, which top trend line, Zach? This one here? This one here? This one that says SR flip? This top one? Oh. It's just like it's not really a good trend line. So I'm just making it up. Basically, and actually, now that you mention it, it's probably more like this, and our entry is probably going to be at the VWAP. I don't have another touch. I mean, I could make this like a bear pennant. This is probably better. But I really think they're probably going to bring it back to VWAP before we dump. So this is probably a better trend line. That's probably what you're looking for. But really, the reason I made it like this is I think that we're going to come back up to VWAP before we get a dump. And I don't want to take an entry here. And then for it to shoot up to VWAP and be short, you know, for over 10 points of it coming back up to VWAP. And that's all it is. It just... I could technically just erase this trend line altogether and go short if we hit VWAP. Or if we come close to the VWAP, you know. But just for purposes of YouTube, I was drawing it as, you know, as a flag. So hopefully that makes sense. I'm really expecting VWAP if we don't stay pinned in this 10-point range for the rest of the day. And actually, probably like the safest thing to do in this case is to clone this line and then, you know, put it here. Except this line should be more... I'm not going for perfection on this because I don't really care. I have my entry in my head, which is VWAP. So anyway, technically on this where I just have the one touch, I mean, really probably a bear pennant, but like I said, we're probably coming up to VWAP. So your safest bet, if you really want the trend line to the upside, is to just clone your bottom line. And based on this, we're probably going to tap like right around here. But if you're using TA properly, this is really what we're looking at. We have a bear pennant. My new little rescue dog just came to say hi. And he's definitely more fun than the market right now. Hey, buddy.
What kind of dog did you get?
I accidentally bought a Yorkie.
Okay, I see why that's an accident. There we go. Yorkie.
Oh, damn.
Oh, damn. Oh, damn. No, you're good. My girlfriend actually has a Yorkie, dude. They're cute little girl dogs. That's awesome, Drew.
Thank you.
I'm happy for you.
Whatever you want to say, bro. No, what happened was we went to the pet store and we went there to get my son crickets for his frog. And there was a rescue that was there that was, they brought a bunch of dogs, and um, they I don't know, like we had actually been saying like we're not getting another dog. Our last dog just passed away like in March, and I'm like, I don't want another dog, like that's too painful. And our son kept like, oh, I really want a dog, I really want a dog, and me and my wife were both like, no, 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 no. And anyway, we walked up, and all three of us like locked eyes with this dog, and the dog locked eyes with us, and
Meant to be.
he was just really chill, you know.
That's so cool.
And
yeah, home.
Yeah, but it just, I don't know, like literally there was tons of people, and there was a bunch of dogs, and they're all barking and going nuts, and this dude was just chilling. And he locked eyes with us, and we locked eyes with him, and we were like, we need to take that dog home.
That's awesome. I love rescuing. That's super cool. Good for you, man.
Like, I swear to God, it was an accident. I've never accidentally got a dog before, but it happened.
You had the pressure of your kids and wife around you too.
It wasn't even them. I mean, they both wanted the dog, but I was like, yeah, we're taking this guy home. Like, that's it. And then I think the rescue that we got him from, they normally do home checks. And I think just from seeing my application, they're like, oh, we don't even need to go do a home check.
Yeah, that's good. No, that's always a good sign.
They even asked like what kind of food I'm going to feed the dog, and I've always fed my dogs like the farmer's dog, which is like
good. It's better stuff for sure.
Well, yeah, like it's human grade, chicken, pork, and beef that's
not pedigree.
With vegetables mixed into it and whatever. And as soon as the lady read that, she was like, "Oh, this dog's going to be spoiled." And I was like, "Yeah, he will."
That's
nice, Don. Yeah.
Good for you, man. Enjoy it. What's the dog's name?
Well, he was already named, so his name's Toby.
Cool. That's awesome. Let's see if we get another entrance here.
I'm not 100% focused on charts right now. This could be a good short here. I almost called it out, but I still feel like they're going to bring it to VWAP. And I'm not in a hurry to get into a choppy trade. And if we look at Bookmap, like, where is this? 96. Like, we've got orders up here. We'll get up there. I don't see a single reason to go long here, DM.
$4,000's at 2 again.
Unless, when did you ask? Yeah, no, not right now. Don't go long here.
$4,000.
Yeah, Don, you got to chill on the getting jumpy on getting out as well, bro. This is literally, I mean, I know you guys hear it, and it's not some cliche that people just like to say, but this is literally a game of patience, and people that are patient can take money out of the market like it's nobody's business. Basically, the more patient you are as a trader, the easier you make this look. Like, it looks like you can just grab money from the market whenever you feel like it. People that, are like clicking buttons really quick, are generally going to be blowing their ports. So you really just have to be relaxed and kind of chill.
Facts.
Especially just like Josh, like just really relaxed, hop in a trade, get on a plane. When you land, you sell it, and you're up 1,000%. Get in a trade, go take a nap. When you come back, you're up 2,000%. It's just, you got to be chill.
Patient. That's right.
Yeah, I'm guessing you're in this. Yeah, okay. I mean, you could go long above VWAP. You're going to get like 9 points. There's not a lot of meat on the bone. But if you're happy with 9 points, it's good. Oh, this dog is funny. Here. I have like a little bench in front of the window in my office. And I was kind of so like we left him home for the first time yesterday. And I had a sweater on the bench, and when I came home it was on the floor. And I just realized, I mean, I just saw him do it for the first time. He's jumping up on the bench and looking out the window. So he must have knocked the sweater off the bench yesterday looking out the window. So if you look at my screen, DM, this is support resistance flip. So if we go out to like a higher time frame, I think we have to go to the 1 day to really see it, but this here at 41.13. So here you can see support, 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 and then here turn resistance, and then turn resistance again here. And then if we go down to like a lower time frame, anyway, here it became support, support again, support, and then we finally broke through. So when we come back above, if I don't see us coming back above VWAP, but if we did, I would expect a rejection right here. So that's the reason it's only 9 points, or yeah, from 41, basically 4105. So 8 points, 4105 to 4113. I didn't explain it, but yeah, that's just what I'm seeing. So I'm not going to take credit for this. I said possible good short here, but yeah, it was a good short, but I didn't trade it. $13 points right now. This is pretty tight and boring. I wish there was a way to grab the whole circle and move it. I was just thinking there might be a chance we break this flag here, and we would come right about to there. But we bounced again. Let's see if anything's changed on our clouds. So our ES, the upper cloud is still closed. I just had a wonderful idea. I always try to move the entire cloud, but instead I can just share a screenshot. So here's our so ugly. we want to be able to see this. Here's our ES daily cloud is closed. The inside is at 4111.48. So even more confluence that we would reject at 4113-ish. And the top of our daily cloud is at 4148. This might be it here. I think this is it. I think we're gonna dump right now. Nope. Actually, no, we're not gonna dump. This is our volume on the day, and you can see our volume's trending down. So another bounce here. Pretty disappointed in myself right now. This is this was a great short entry, and I'm not saying that in hindsight. I'm saying that in hindsight, looking at volume. God, I really hate these stupid plus minus. I don't even know what these do. But hindsight on volume, we were trending down. This is the first time that we started trending up. And so this green candle is our volume up, and then we have increased volume on this red candle, which is just showing that this is a good entry to short. The volume probably looks better on like a lower time frame, I would guess. So yeah, you can see this is a much cleaner on 1 minute. If this is our volume increasing here, when you get this big red spike, red candle, with this increased volume, this is telling you that it's time to enter short. And then also based on volume, we know our exit. You know, we're not going to break through. Or even the SR flip. You could have taken profits here or here. Oh, and just for people watching, this is not normally the screen I look at. I have some pretty big monitors, and I normally have these, you know, this chart and my book map on different screens, but for purposes of streaming live, I throw them both on one screen so everybody can see like the big picture of what I'm looking at. It probably looks pretty ugly watching on YouTube, but this is the best way I could figure out to show like the big picture of everything I'm looking at when I'm trading. And you should notice I don't have any, you know, RSI and moving averages or anything like that on my charts. Just VWAP and volume profile. And sometimes I do turn on like my developing volume profile. That's kind of cool. Our developing value area low is right here. We already have a line there. Once you start getting good with volume profile, like you'll you'll kind of know where volume shelves are anyway. The stuff just starts clicking, and it'll kind of surprise yourself. Like you'll have a line like I do on your chart, and then you'll turn on your volume profile or whatever, and you see it lines up, and it's kind of funny. And you'll learn also, like if we did a fixed range volume profile from here down, our POC is probably going to be very close to the developing POC right now, because we have so much trading volume right through here. We can do it just for giggles. They're on the same line, like to a T, right? And this is your range. So basically you would short here ish, and go long here-ish based on volume profile. $40.90, $40.91 should be a good short entry. With that said, I'm not taking a trade. This is just too slow for me. But we should get a move, you know, from here, probably at least down to our 480. So 10-point move to the downside. 490, 491 is where you're going to want to enter short. And hopefully this is the one that breaks this flag. Let's see, 1 minute. I want to get a better picture of volume as we come up to here. So you can see already, as we're approaching resistance, here our volume is decreasing, right? This is just reaffirming that this is a good level to go short. And now we're starting to see, you know, red candles. So this is going to be a great short entry. I mean, I'd say great. Like we're not getting a lot of moves, but specifically like ES or MES, this will be a good short because the move will probably happen, but you know, based on volume. But for SPY and SPX, things like that, it's, you don't want to get caught up in theta with this chop. I'm deleting this circle. I don't think we're coming back up here anytime soon. So you can see that tiny red candle has quite a bit of volume, considering how small this candle is. This might push us to VWAP. So important to watch the volume. So I'm no longer looking to short this right now. Actually, this is good now. So now we should come back down to our SR flip.
It is retesting a downtrend line.
Sorry, what downtrend line?
From like 9:23 a.m. connected with 9:57 a.m.
Okay, yeah. Yeah, this is a good short, or was a good short. Our red volume is above the 20 moving average. Trying to zoom in here so you can see better on YouTube, but hopefully volume comes in on this candle and we'll come back down to our SR flip. This is going to be the last trade of the live for right now. A little bit too slow and a little bit too choppy for my liking. Hopefully you guys just learned something, you know, as far as watching volume for your trades. That's gonna do it. We're gonna be, I mean, I'm gonna wait and see if we come back down to our support resistance flip here. Hopefully everybody banked. I hope people in YouTube land banked. I know people in the Discord banked, so we're doing good. I banked. Life is good. I was thinking of coming back at 3 and streaming again on YouTube and Discord, but with FOMC tomorrow, I'm pretty sure we're just going to chop. Love to hear it, Darlock. Happy for you. I know you're one of the real ones that's always here, and I appreciate you. So I'm glad you made some money. I mean, anybody that knows me, I don't care if it's your first time here. I hope you made money. Yeah, I'm always cheering for everybody. Yeah, I want to see this come back down to our support resistance flip there, but might not even happen. But anyway, what I was saying with FOMC tomorrow, I don't think they're going to give us any big moves at the end of the day. So unless I see something, I'm not going to go live on YouTube. We will in the Discord for sure, but I'm not anticipating too much of anything. All good, Darluck. Thanks for the support, brother. All right, I don't know. I'm assuming based on your name that you're a guy. If not, sister, whatever. Family, doesn't matter. No worries, Don. Don't get too bored in your class, bro. Okay, yeah, I figured. If you weren't, I didn't want to be wrong and hurt somebody's feelings. So are you I mean, I'm assuming you're a musician, Darluck? If so, what do you play and what kind of music? And I should say, Darlock, if you have a link to like your oh, what's it called? I forget where people share their music, but if you have a link, drop it so I can check out your music. Let's go. SR Flip. Oh, and also, for people tuning in like for the first time, notice we're buying puts or going short um, as price is going up. We're not waiting for a reversal. Oh, that's dope, man. That's awesome. So you're a producer. A lot of people already know, but I'm not going to name drop or anything, but I have a very famous musician in my family. Nice. That's awesome. So I grew up around music like my whole life. I love like absolutely.
Who would that be?
I just said I'm not going to name drop, man.
Oh,
I mean, it's all good. I can tell you guys. You can actually like
sure.
Google it. But my uncle, so my dad's brother, I mean, he's like semi-retired now, but he was the bass guitarist for the Rolling Stones. His stage name is Bill Wyman, but his legal name is William George Perks. So like you could actually Google Bill
Like the
Wyman.
Wyman brothers?
No. Bill Wyman.
Oh, just the Wyman? L. Wyman. Oh, okay.
Bill. B-I-L.
Bill Wyman.
Yeah. You can Google his real
Oh.
name and you'll see it's William George Perks, and I'm sure you guys have all seen like through YouTube and whatever else my last name is Perks.
Sick, dude. That's awesome.
Yeah, so like I mean I don't know, my dad's really into music as well. And like when I was a little kid, I sat on the edge of like the Stone stage, and like I've been backstage with all kinds of musicians and at parties, after parties, all kinds of stuff. Cool stuff.
That's core moments.
Yeah. I don't talk about it too much because like when I was younger, people would always call me a liar, and I'm like, why would I lie? Like I don't have a reason to lie.
Yeah, people are the same way. My cousin actually, he's a little kid in Superbad that draws the penises in lunchbox.
Oh yeah, you told us that, dude. That's hilarious.
Yeah, so that's my cousin, and like it's like people have a hard time believing that too, and then
That's
it's just
dope.
whatever. There's only so much you can do.
I want
but it's
that to
cool.
be. I'm jealous. I want that to be my legacy. Like, what's
No,
your
what's pretty funny, dude, is that he
What-
started a TikTok a few months ago, and now he's like popping off and selling signatured drawings of penises on his TikTok.
I love it, and actually, I want one.
His name's Casey Margolis. You can look him up on TikTok. It's funny as shit.
That's hilarious, bro.
Him all grown up from the movie.
But I'm jealous. I want
Still,
that to be my
he's a
legacy.
kid.
Like, what's your proudest moment in life? Well, I drew the penises in Superbad.
Imagine that being your legacy. I drew penises on lunchboxes.
Well, I'm just saying, I want it to be.
Oh, there you go.
I'm jealous.
Oh man,
It's
talking
cool.
about that.
I mean, this is just one of the things I love about people is like just meeting people from all different walks of lives. Like, I don't know, for people in Discord, Darlock saying he's a producer. He produced for like Little Kim, Corrupt, Ray J, mostly hip hop and R&B. And then we've got Josh's cousin that likes to draw penises. my uncle from the Stones. Like, it's just cool, man. Life is awesome. You got to make
Oh
the
yeah,
most of
such
it.
a small world. It's awesome. Yeah.
If you went short, I mean, this is as good as good of a place as any to take your profits. I mean, we're basically at our support resistance flip here. It doesn't look like we're gonna hit it completely this time.
Damn, I forgot the 4,000 put again. It's at 2, 1-4.
Oh, there we go. We hit it. It's good enough. So yeah. All right. So we're 4 for 5 on the day on trades. 4 profitable trades called out. 1 loser. I'll take that all day, any day. Geez, are you gonna break down further? Because I'll hang out for a minute. It's been fun hanging out, everybody. I appreciate all of you. For my peeps in Discord, I'm not shutting it off, but I'm gonna take a break. But for YouTube, I'm gonna shut down right now. It was a good stream. We'll do another one next week sometime. I don't know when, but we'll figure it out. Yeah. Anyway, I hope people banked. Take care. I appreciate everybody.
Cheers. See you later.
Thank you all.
Sure.
And peace out.
Take it easy.
Yeah, no, I'm not leaving you guys. I'm just getting off.